don't be fooled by people online that are posing to be like myself or Jessa. Please report any profiles you see that are not us.
May mga tao talagang mga loko-loko, no? Gagawin lahat para lang talaga mga panloko ng tao.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about a scammer. So we're gonna put the picture right up here, and we just wanted to put out a warning to let each and one of our followers know that don't be fooled by people online that are posing to be like myself or Jessa. Please report any profiles you see that are not us. And if you don't know if it's us, Jessa's gonna put our channels right here, and these are the only ones that we operate. And we're gonna have them right here on the screen somewhere. So if it's not us, don't buy from them. We're not selling jewelry, we're not selling shoes, we're not selling anything. We don't sell anything. So please don't be manipulated and dragged into a scam just because they've got some pictures of us up. These people are nefarious and they steal our public pictures online. We know that that is a possibility. You can't hide from it. You can't delete everything. So just it's up to our viewers to be smart and educated about it in order to ask the right questions and just know us. So, you know, if you're following us, you know that we don't sell anything. So please don't be fooled by these profiles that use our pictures. It's no different than a dating app that might have Jessa's face or my face. It's obviously not us. But they could be using our pictures for, you know, doing bad things, trying to draw you in to either something negative like that, or trying to get you to buy fake jewelry, or telling you you have to pay a shipping fee. So either way, the message just needed to be that we're not selling anything. Those there's a bunch of scammers out there that are probably using our pictures. Again, we'll link all of our channels that are us, myself and Jessa, that are in the description as well. Those are our channels, and we'll let you know by putting a video up if we ever open a new channel or do anything like that. So just be aware, be safe, don't give your money away because you work hard for that, and just be careful online because there are people that are out there that are trying to steal your money, put you in debt, and just waste your time overall. So don't let them do that to you. Hopefully this video helped you out. Leave a comment if it did help you out. And I used to do a lot of scam videos, and I haven't done them in a little while. So also comment if you want me to make some videos related to like current scams, whether it's dating, whether it's what we're talking about here, someone using our pictures, and how you can report those guys. So if you see a profile, report it. If you are getting a dating scam, if you feel like you're a part of a dating scam, you can also report those to ic3.gov. So I can always make more in-depth videos on how to resolve those. Maybe not get your money back, but at least you can report them, and eventually they'll be investigated. So drop those comments below.
So, ayun, be aware lang guys. Maging alert po kayo sa mga ganong bagay. Don't give your personal information. And huwag kayong maniwala agad sa mga ganong modus, no? So, sabi ko kay Travis, hindi na ako Ay, ang kapal. Sabi ko kay Travis, hindi na muna ako masyadong magpo-post ng ano natin. Ang kapal ng picture natin. Kaya mag-vlog na lang siguro ako, no? I know there's a lot of people who wants to see our picture, especially Ellie's picture. But nowadays, guys, it's very very dangerous. Lalo na nakita ko kay Hera, si Miss Hera, yung ano siya, CEO siya ng isang skincare product, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam kung totoo ata kasi nakita ko yung video. Ginamit daw yung ano niya, yung anak niya sa mga picture, sa kabulastugan, ganun. Kaya doon parang na-alarma ako, 'di ba? Pero may madami siyang pwedeng kunin na picture ng mga baby kasi ang dami din talaga nagpo-post ng mga nanay ng mga picture ng anak nila eh. 'Di ba? Pero ako hanggat maaari kailangan ko din talagang mag-ingat, lalo na't babae ang anak ko, mahirap na. So ayun, kaya hindi mo na ako magpo-post ng mga picture. Hindi rin naman talaga kasi ako palo-post. And to be honest with you guys, hindi kami kumikita sa Facebook. We used to, but now yung Facebook page namin na Jessa and Travis, yung 200,000 follower, na-demonetize kasi yun. Kaya hindi kami tawag nito kumikita ng ano doon sa Facebook na yun. So wala kaming earnings doon, guys. But I still post because a lot of people wants to see our video, you know, update for us, ganun, kung ano nang update sa amin. Pero kaya nag-vlog din ako kasi nga syempre madaming tao na gusto makita si Ellie, yung alam mo na, yung na nawawala daw yung stress nila pag napapanood yung vlog namin. And I really appreciate that, guys, na hanggang ngayon sinusuportahan nyo pa rin kami sa pag-vlog namin, no? Sa vlog na lang talaga ako ginaganahan. Kaya sa Facebook, madali kasi talagang gumawa ng kalokohan eh. Pero sa YouTube din naman, pwede rin i-screenshot lang nila tapos i-post yung video. Pero kailangan pa nilang mag-effort, 'di ba? Pero grabe namang effort gagawin nila para lang talaga kunin yung picture mo, 'di ba? So yun, at saka madaming influencer or vlogger talaga na ginagamit din yung mga picture nila. Pero alam ko naman siguro na aware sila na mangyayari. Kami, aware din naman kami ni Travis. Pero ang ayaw lang namin, we just don't want them to use our pictures to fool people, to scam people, 'di ba? Ang dami kasing tao na na-scam talaga. So mag-ingat po kayo, guys. Ginawa namin we made this video to give awareness for those people who don't know us, ganun. Para sa mga iba na hindi po kami nakikilala, hindi naman din kami sikat na vlogger, simpleng ano lang din kami. Maliit lang kami na influencer. Hindi naman kami katulad ng iba na sobrang sikat talaga, kaya 'di ba? Kaya yung iba hindi talaga kami kilala. Pero may mga iba na nakakakilala, kaya sinabi nila sa akin na, "Ala, Miss Jessa, ginamit po yung picture nyo, tapos ginawang yung picture nyo, ginawang tawag nito, I didn't know that we have business." May alahasan na pala kami. Sabi nila na, meron daw po kayong yung parang jewelry shop. Binakita pa doon, syempre, halatang sa Google or sa lang kinuha yung mga picture eh. Tapos yung screenshot nila ng picture, medyo malabo pa eh. Kaya yung ibang picture, pinagbubura ko na doon sa Facebook. Pero, I will still post, guys, especially sa pag nag-vlog ako, pag nag-upload ako ng vlog. So, magpo-post pa rin po ako, pero hindi na po ako magpo-post ng mga picture na, siguro magpo-post ako ng picture, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng watermark para hindi nila manakaw, 'di ba? May mga tao talagang mga loko-loko, no? Gagawin lahat para lang talaga mga panloko ng tao para kumita sila sa masamang paraan. Hindi na lang sila magtrabaho ng tama. Thank you so much po pala dun sa, hindi ko alam kung anong name niya, pero minention niya ako dun sa may post, kaya dun ko nalaman. May isa ring babae na nagsabi sa akin, "Hey Jessa, ginagamit yung picture nyo," pero gusto niyang i-PM ko siya. Eh hindi naman kami gumagamit nung parang message dun sa Facebook namin. In-off ko kasi ang daming ang daming messages, ang daming message request, kaya hindi po namin maisa-isa, kaya in-off po na lang namin. So ang ginawa namin, sa Instagram lang talaga kami active, no, na pag may mga nagme-message, doon lang talaga kami sumasagot. And naka-private na rin po yung Instagram namin. Kaya kung may mag-follow man sa amin, makikita ko po. Iniisa-isa ko na ngayon kung sino yung mga nagpa-follow sa amin kasi nagpo-post ako doon ng mga pictures. So, no? So, kailangan ko rin isa-isahin kung sino yung mga naka-follow sa amin. And hindi ko pa maisa-isa ngayon kasi medyo busy pa. Kailangan mo talaga mag-take ng time para lang taga isa-isahin kung sino yung naka-follow sa inyo, 'di ba? Thank you sa inyo. Na-appreciate ko po kayo sa mga taong nag-help sa amin na i-report yung page. Pero sana mabura na ni Facebook, no? So, nandito na pala yung order ni Mama Karen para kay Ellie. Ayun, no, binila niya ng walker si Ellie. Ayan. Love na love ng kanyang mother-in-law at saka ng father-in-law. Kasi si Ellie guys, grabe. Hindi namin alam, parang antibay ng buto ni Ellie. Tapos
She's
nakaano
rocking,
siya.
like launching
Oo,
forward.
grabe si
It's
Ellie.
actually very early for her to do that.
Tapos parang nagpo-push up siya. Kaya minsan nagugulat kami ni Travis.
I know, like every parent's like, "Oh, my baby's ahead of the curve," but like legitimately, typically babies don't do like full push-ups, coming like off the elbow fully up, and
Yeah.
rock back and forth and like jump forward.
Oh
until,
my
like,
gosh, she did
7 to 10 months, not
Yeah.
4. She was doing that at 3.5 months.
Yeah,
And now
3.5, and now she's
like
4 months.
She's fully like in the push-up position. We're like, how are you doing this?
I was wondering, what is she doing? She kept doing that.
Because her daddy.
Look,
Yeah,
because her mommy is strong. Sige na, I gotta go to
got
work.
genes from daddy.
Gotta go to work.
Okay, love you later.
Love you, bye-bye.
Bye. Sayonara.
Sayonara. Can you say paalam?
Paalam.
Paalam means bye.
Paalam.
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 So, maraming salamat guys sa pag-watch ng video namin. Pakishare na lang po itong video para alam din ng iba. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!